Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, July 24. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is urging participants of the Jamaica 55 Diaspora Conference to take advantage of business opportunities being presented. He points out that there is exciting investment potential in areas such as logistics, business process outsourcing, nutraceuticals, and agriculture.
Our diaspora must be increasingly engaged in the business prospects of Jamaica. This is yet another element of our resolve to strengthen our relationship with the diaspora.
The Prime Minister was speaking at yesterday's opening ceremony of the Jamaica 55 Diaspora Conference. He said that the diaspora policy that's being put in place would help to facilitate the engagements more efficiently and maximize the level of opportunities.
So we are allocating the necessary time and resources to ensure that the national diaspora policy adequately represents the level of commitment we ascribe to building this relationship.
Meanwhile, the Jamaica 55 Diaspora Conference got down to business today with networking sessions focused on three main areas of the country's economic growth agenda.
First, building, caring for, and protecting our human capital, our greatest asset. This, of course, refers to our panels on education, health, and national security. Secondly, analyzing and understanding the drivers of economic growth. What propels? What retards? Thirdly, promoting sustainable and inclusive socio-economic development, an imperative for us to achieve our National Vision 2030 goals.
And Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, says she is looking to fruitful discussions with the diaspora over the period of the conference. Culture and the creative economy is among the conference agenda items. Ahead of those talks, Minister Grange says members of the diaspora must be applauded for their contributions in this and other areas of development.
We want you to know that we are truly proud of your achievements, because in doing so, you have also brought glory to Jamaica.
Over 1,200 persons are registered to take part in the three-day event being held at the Jamaica Conference Center under the theme Partnering for Growth. Among the participating countries are Canada, the United Kingdom, the United States, Cayman Islands, Japan, Nigeria, and the United Arab Emirates. In other news, Cabinet has approved an additional allocation of $2.57 billion to help the National Security Ministry boost its crime-fighting efforts. The ministry was initially budgeted to spend more than $60 billion for housekeeping and capital projects. This newest allocation will facilitate activities associated with the zones of special operations and provide additional resources such as vehicles and CCTV systems and body cameras for policemen and women.
This is a substantial allocation that we think that the ministry will be using very strategically to ensure that we bring under control the scourge of crime in Jamaica.
The Information Minister says Cabinet has also approved an increase in the 2017-2018 budget of $300.27 million in grants.
This is to facilitate the implementation of projects, activities, pending regulation of the adjustment in the supplementary estimates of this current financial year. And this is broken down as follows: additional provision totaling $77,145,000 for ongoing projects and activities, and a new provision totaling $223 million in respect of project activities recommended by the Public Investment Management Committee.
And finally, the National Plan of Action for an Integrated Response to Children and Violence is to be finalized within 6 months. The document is being revised to incorporate recommendations from a workshop focusing on its continued development. Lamenting that the document has been in the planning stage for the past 15 years, Education State Minister Floyd Green says it is time to have it completed and presented to Cabinet for approval.
Let us look at our national draft plan and see how we could pull everybody together for one final time on this topic. Review what we have done thus far, update as much as possible, and come out of this with a clear direction to ensure that we have a plan that can make it before Cabinet
The National Plan of Action for an Integrated Response to Children and Violence is intended to create and maintain a protective environment that's supportive of and responsive to the issues of violence, child abuse, and maltreatment of children in Jamaica. It is to be implemented over a 5-year period. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.